Hello everyone, welcome back to the One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage block list on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down, then tap on Setting and Privacy. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Tap on Blocking. Here you can find the list of people that you've blocked. To add people to this list, simply tap on Add to Block List. Then search for the profile of the people that you want to block. And that is how to manage block list on Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.